Do you live in a concrete jungle with no backyard? Do you miss the taste of real, organic vegetables? Well, you don't need a massive farm to grow your own food. Your balcony is a sleeping giant waiting to be awakened. Today, I'm showing you the top 5 edible plants that thrive in small spaces
and can turn your apartment balcony into a mini grocery store. If you want to save money and eat healthier, stay tuned.
Number 1 is the superstar of balcony gardening, cherry tomatoes. They grow vertically and produce hundreds of fruits in a very small space, needing only a medium-sized pot and a trellis for support. They thrive in direct sunlight, and once you taste a sun-ripened cherry tomato from your own balcony, you will never want to buy them from a supermarket again. Number 2, chili peppers. These are perfect for apartments because of their compact root system, allowing them to grow in tiny pots or hanging baskets. A single plant provides fresh chilies for months, adding both beauty and spice to your home-cooked meals. Plus, they are incredibly resilient, even if you forget to water them for a day. Number 3, lettuce and salad greens. If you want fast results, lettuce can be harvested in as little as 30 days. Using the cut and come again method, you simply snip off the leaves you need and the plant keeps growing. It's a never-ending supply of fresh organic greens right outside your door. Number 4, aromatic herbs, specifically mint and basil. These take up almost zero space and make your food taste like a 5-star restaurant. Mint grows vigorously, while basil is the perfect companion for your tomatoes. Fresh herbs are expensive at the store, but on your balcony, they are practically free. Finally, number 5, spinach. This nutrition powerhouse thrives in the cooler corners of your balcony and grows well in shallow containers. Packed with iron and vitamins, it's the perfect addition to smoothies or stir-fries. Growing your own spinach ensures you are eating leaves completely free from harmful pesticides. Apartment farming is about more than just food. It's about reconnecting with nature in a busy world. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start. Which one of these are you going to plant first? Let me know in the comments below. Check the description for my favorite balcony gardening tools. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Business Ideas English for more ways to turn your space into a gold mine. Happy farming!